Apple's budget-friendly iPhone lineup has always had a loyal following, and the upcoming iPhone SE 4 is already generating plenty of excitement. With leaks and reports hinting at a major redesign and performance boost, this device could be one of the most significant upgrades in the SE series. Some sources suggest that Apple might even rename it as the iPhone 16e, aligning it more closely with the flagship models. While there are still some concerns, many users are eager to see how Apple balances affordability with modern features. One of the biggest complaints about the current iPhone SE is its outdated design. With thick bezels and a physical home button, it looks years behind Apple's other models. However, the new version is expected to change that completely. If the rumors are accurate, it will adopt the design of the iPhone 14, meaning an edge-to-edge display with a notch instead of a home button. This update alone makes it feel much more modern and premium, bringing it closer to Apple's high-end devices while still being more affordable. Performance is another key area where Apple seems to be making big improvements. Reports indicate that the iPhone SE 4 could come with 8 gigabytes of random access memory, which would make it significantly more powerful than its predecessor. This extra memory is also expected to support Apple Intelligence, the company's latest artificial intelligence-driven system. Although this technology is still developing, having it available on the SE 4 means users can expect a smarter and more efficient experience, whether it's in photography, voice commands, or general system performance. Another major shift with this model is Apple's decision to use its own in-house cellular modem instead of relying on Qualcomm. Apple has been working toward this transition for years, and the iPhone SE 4 might be the first device to feature it. While this could eventually lead to better connectivity and performance, there's some uncertainty since this is the first time Apple is using its own modem. Qualcomm has years of experience refining its technology, so it remains to be seen whether Apple's version will match or even surpass that level of reliability. On the camera front, Apple appears to be keeping things simple. Unlike many budget smartphones that now come with multiple rear cameras, the iPhone SE 4 is expected to feature a single lens setup. Apple has always relied heavily on software processing to enhance image quality, and while the results are usually impressive, some users might feel limited by the lack of additional camera options like an ultra-wide or telephoto lens. Still, for those who primarily take standard shots, the camera performance should be more than sufficient. One aspect that might concern potential buyers is the price. The iPhone SE series has always been known for being Apple's most affordable option, but with all these upgrades, a price increase seems likely. A modern design, upgraded memory, and a new modem all come at cost, and Apple might have to raise the price to accommodate these changes. If the price goes up too much, some users may reconsider and opt for an older flagship model instead. Despite these potential drawbacks, the iPhone SE 4 is shaping up to be a solid upgrade that will appeal to a lot of users. Many iPhone owners, especially those with older models like the iPhone 12 or iPhone 13, are considering this as a cost-effective alternative to the iPhone 16. Since not everyone needs the absolute best cameras or display, the SE 4 could offer a great balance of performance, modern design, and value for money. If you're looking for an iPhone that feels up to date without the premium price tag, this could be one of the best choices in 2025. What are your thoughts on this upcoming release? Would you consider upgrading to the iPhone SE 4? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.